Hey guys, my name is Marcel, and this is Beluga, 1999 Ford F350 with a 7.3 Powerstroke. The glow plugs never work. I've replaced the relay like once or twice. The relay keeps going, whether it's the relay or the plugs. The only reason this might start today in -7, and it's been sitting in -7 for like 3 days, it's been a cold snap, that's why I got this, is the AMSOIL Cetane boost that I put in the fuel. I put a whole bottle of AMSOIL Cetane boost in the diesel, which allows it to, essentially the fuel gets compressed and it will ignite easier with a higher cetane, more likely to kick over. So let's see how it goes. Second try. Oh, look at the force. it sounds like it's not even running on all cylinders quite yet. Yeah. So yeah, guys, without that cetane bottle, this thing would not start. Even in like 0, it would just barely get going. I would have tried it like 25 times. One bottle of AMSOIL Cetane, you can get it at Irnieracing.shopamsoil.com. I'll put it in the link somewhere. Anyways, guys, that's Beluga. She'll get going soon. Peace.